Hello everyone, I am Shabari from hookedinloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and comment. My today's tutorial is on this beautiful fabric necklace, and I have decorated it with koris. And for this project we will require a rectangular shaped cardboard and a cotton fabric of slightly bigger size. We will take the Fevicryl fabric glue and spread the glue on top of the cardboard evenly with our fingers, and then we will take the fabric and stick it on the cardboard evenly, and when the top portion is stuck, we will turn our work like this. Okay, now we are in the back side of the work. We will take the scissors and cut the corners in slightly angular fashion, and then we will take the fabric glue again and add some glue in the cut out portion of that side of the rectangular fabric and also in the cardboard, and we will stick that portion of the fabric to the cardboard by pressing it. We will do the same thing on the other three sides also, that is, take the scissor and cut out the corners in angular fashion in all the remaining sides like this, and then take the fabric glue and stick all the sides of the fabric to the cardboard. Okay, in this manner. Quickly complete this work. So we are nearly completed. We have stuck all the four sides of the fabric to the cardboard. Okay, and our fabric cardboard is ready. So it's perfect. Just make the outline of the drawing on which you will be painting it. So we will start painting it based on your own imagination. Okay. painting is more or less complete. We will do some finishings like adding white colored outlines along it, and now we will decorate our neck piece. So for that we will take the Fevicol and spread the glue along the border, and on top of it we will stick the red colored jute twine. You will get the link to buy this in my description box from Amazon. However, it is also available in the local market, so you can buy it from anywhere you want. Okay, so add the glue along the borders in this manner. In all the four sides of the rectangle. When the border is complete, just cut out the extra portion of the jute twine and add some glue at the joint and stick the cutout portion. Okay, and it's done. Now we will cut out the extra portion of the fabric so that the blue colored portion is not visible from the top. Okay, and the main locket part is ready. We will now decorate our locket with some koris at the bottom. If you want, you can add beads, but I have chosen koris because I love the effect. So for that, we will take the jump ring and pass it through the hole we made at the bottom of the neck piece using any needle, and then we will take the kori. It has got the hole at the top, so we will pass the jump ring through the hole of the kori in this manner, and then we will just close the opening using the pliers. Okay, so the kori has been attached to the necklace. We will add another kori and the bottom portion of the neck piece is ready. In the same manner, we will be adding two jump rings on the top portion of the neck piece. So we will take the jump ring and pass it through the hole we made at the top of the neck piece using the needle, and then just close it using the pliers. And then we will take our string. I have crocheted the string using embroidery floss, so we will pass the string through the jump ring hole like this on both the jump rings. Okay, like this we will be passing another string on the other jump ring, and then at the end, if you want, you can decorate the string with beads. I made some thread beads. You will get the link to make these thread beads in my description box. So my neck piece is finally ready. So finally the classy necklace is ready, and I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy to follow. And if you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section if you have any queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos in the comment section. And I have a website at www.hookedinloops.com. You will get my crochet patterns there. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.